God da okay. Alright. 62. I ain't gonna lie, the market is kinda better when it goes up, huh? Yeah. Mm. 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 If the bulls don't hold this, then that means we're going down. And I'm gonna have to flip short. Because if the bulls don't hold here, we're going down. They're going down, down, down. All right, I'm gonna have to flip short here. Three oh six. Nice one, NQ. Uh, 'It's such a great feeling to be what a great feeling for the Nasdaq to stop you out and go in your direction. What a great feeling. Look at that, dude. What was the point of that, man? What was the point of that? Wow, what was the point of that? About 36. All right, man. All right. Okay. All right. All right, man. I should have known. I should have known. Mini chart. Mm. Mm. You gotta remember that. Man. All right, man. Whatever, dude. Mm. Yeah, it definitely is, man. It definitely is. I mean, well, I guess it wouldn't necessarily say it's wild. I mean, I guess it's straightforward, but man, I guess this thing threw me off right here. This threw me off. I started at 4K and now I'm down 3,400. I might not. You know what, Alfred? Honestly, mm, mm, I don't know. I'm kind of conflicted about that, man. I'm kind of conflicted about that. Mm, 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 mm. All right, man. All right, Nasdaq. All right, fine, fine, fine. Shit. God damn. God damn, dude. I guess for smaller accounts, I'm just gonna have to. I'm gonna have to figure something out. I mean, because being on the wrong side is dangerous. 473. Mm. All right, NQ. All right, fine, fine, fine. Just wow, fine, 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 mm, fine, fine. Man, shit, I will admit that I mean, dude, this threw me off so bad. This threw me off so bad. I read the market right. She just comes and stops me out. And that's what sucks. That's what freaking sucks. Maybe in this situation, I should have probably put maybe more risk on it. But man, that would have paid off. I don't know why she did this crap right here for. Actually, was I in? I was like in right. Was I in at 335 or something like that? I was in somewhere and this shit came and stopped me out, man. All right. Um, mm, mhm, 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 mhm. Mm. Yeah, I definitely agree with that Investor Z. 9 o'clock algo coming up. Ugh. Yeah, sometimes I'm like, yo, what the fuck, man? Sometimes. What the fuck? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm just waiting for gain weight to come up. I don't think gain weight gonna say nothing for a while. Ah shit. Ah man. Mm. I don't think gain weight gonna say nothing. I don't think gain weight gonna show up. Someone said my short last night wasn't gonna work. Someone said my short was going against the trend. Lo and behold, we caught the damn top last night. But shit, I was kind of up all night. Well, not necessarily up all night. I was up until like maybe 10:30, 11, or like 11, 11:30. I passed 3 accounts. I would have been four. And shit, the Nasdaq did me so dirty last night, man. I passed the account. Actually, let me show you exactly where she did it. And she came back and stopped me out. And I blew that account after that. Where was it at? Where was it at? It was like 11:30 last night or something like that. Oh yeah, like 11:30 or something like that. She did something that was just straight dirty to me last night. Uh, I think it was this right here. Yeah, right here. This little. She missed my target by like a couple of points and crashed down, dude. I was like, yo, what the actual fuck? Caught a perfect entry, ran. Like, dude, I was like, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. She tapped me. I think it hit 3K. And I wish that they had like an auto close. I think I've done that at least 10 times where I've passed the account, I've passed the threshold, and for whatever reason, my threshold was the top of the move and it comes crashing right back down. And it happened so fast, it didn't give me time to react to it. Didn't give me no kind of time to react to it at all. Yeah, I think this was it right here. Yeah, this was it right here. If it pumped all the way up and then crashed, missed my target by a couple freaking points. I think it missed it by 2 points. Came crashing down. I was like, fuck, man. Nasdaq, why? Like, why? Like, why do you do that shit? And then this morning, I caught this initial, or what? Where was this pump? This morning, I caught this pump right here. And when I say that she literally stopped at my target and started doing that bullshit after all these green candles, I was like, why the hell does she does stuff like that, man? Like, why? And my target was at 1795 right here. And then she started doing this crap right here just to, after she hits my target, she's like, fine. And then she does this move right here after hitting my target. Oh shit. Why is the Nasdaq like this? I don't get why she's just I don't get it. I feel like, and it's I don't it, I've been trying to find ways to maybe my target is at resistance or something, but it doesn't matter where the hell my target is at. She's just gonna stop. She's gonna stop at it and play around like she did last night. She's just gonna play around with it. And at this point, I feel like I'm becoming desensitized to it. Like I don't like obviously it bothers me, but the emotional response is no longer there because I'm desensitized to it. Mm. Nah, gang, wait. I'm gonna need that 20-page apology. I'm gonna need that 20-pager. Actually, I think this time I think I need a 40-pager. A 40-pager. I need you to bust out your favorite pen or pencil, college ruled paper, no type, no chat GPT, and I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that, gang. Wait. Someone said my short wasn't gonna work last night. Inverse, and then it should start. If I inverse the Sherm, then I will find out. And yes, I have to say the whole thing. The whole thing. If I inverse the Sherm, I will find out. Shit, even if I inverse myself, I find out. So I'm not even immune to it. 567. If I inverse the Sherm, I will find out. Are you in calls? I mean, shit, honestly, I mean, with this big drop, I mean, being in calls and just sitting on them, or long term calls and DCAing into them as, I mean, if price goes lower, it's not necessarily a bad call or nothing. It's not a bad call. It's not a bad call. Mm-hmm. All right. So I think this is probably, this actually might be the real short right here. Maybe. We'll see. I mean, I guess we could go up to 600. I guess we could go back up to 600. I mean, I guess we could. I mean, right exactly where, let me get this like 10. Right where my stop is. We can probably go like to 605 or something like that. Oh no, this is the no, this is the sim. I mean, like I said, I passed like 4 accounts last night. I have no more accounts to trade. I'm in the sim right now. I have no more accounts. I'm in the sim. I have no more accounts to trade, and I'm not gonna buy no more accounts. I mean, I still got I mean, I hit daily like I said, I hit daily loss limit in 3 last night because the Nasdaq was being nasty to me. I don't know when she started hitting my stop and going towards my target because I could have sworn that my stop is big enough so I don't have to deal with that shit. But it seems like now I have to probably increase my stop a little bit because of just the amount of volatility. I already have a 27-point stop. I'm gonna have to start trading with a 36-point stop. I might have to start trading with a 36-point stop. Oof. Mhm, mhm, mhm. 43. Mhm, mhm. Mhm, 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 mhm. Oof. Mhm, 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 mhm. Oof. You know what? Actually, I might just start doing that now. I might just start doing that. I think that's how I want to trade now, just moving forward. Instead of just doing that, maybe I should just go into micros. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I should just go into micros. Well, it's not necessarily because honestly, this volatility. I mean, I'm in the sim, so I'm not necessarily thinking about the trades. I'm just taking them. But the volatility doesn't bother me. But with these smaller accounts, because the Apex accounts can take like the $1,200 losses, but these smaller accounts can't. And I might just have to come. Yeah, I might just have to. Hmm, yeah, I probably just have to go back to that. Man, come on, Nasdaq. Like, come on. You ain't had to do that shit. Like, this is what I'm trying to overcome with the Nasdaq. Like this shit right here. Like what the hell is up with that? Like why? Why? Ugh. You say I'm simping for the NQ right now? And no, I can't say that shit out loud. Somebody gonna take that wrong. But I love her, man. I love her. I need her. I can't live without her. Oh yeah, talking about that. Speaking about that, let me see what gold doing. All right, let's see what gold doing. Sometimes I forget about my side piece. When the NQ start acting up, you go to gold. Ooh, shit. All right, so I'm in this. All right, so 71. Okay. You know what? All right, let me just do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Ooh. Honestly, where I got the stop at, they could just tap it. Because this I think this way of trading kind of defeats uh okay. I mean, I guess what commissions is a small price to pay? Commissions is a small price to pay, huh? Mm, mm, mm. All right. Hmm. Yeah, especially if you're in like in a good area. Especially like yeah, if you're in a good area with the NQ. That was a beautiful entry right there though. Beautiful entry. Hmm. I will say this though. I mean, I will say this. I will say I am having an internal battle right now. I'm having an internal battle, and for one to prevail, I'm gonna have to settle either because I have been. Mm, 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 mm. I mean, this thing can probably bounce at 315, 285. This thing can bounce at 215, 285, 365. I mean, I might get stopped out of this, honestly. I'll be watching what price does at 315. 'Cause I am kind of short on the bottom here. My internal battle right now is with minis, I can alleviate the pain of uncertainty with the NASDAQ. I can just hit my targets, get the amount of profits that I need, and I can be done. The conflict comes with, when the market makes moves like this and I stop focusing on big moves and I only focus on just getting the P&L, and it doesn't feel authentic and it doesn't feel real. But uncertainty with the Nasdaq is just what's the word? Anxiety inducing. You just want to get it over with. At least for me, I just want to get this shit over with. If I cut down the size with micros, I can trade this way and just have, room for, like, you know what? Hold on, let me just okay. I mean, it's not like let me take that off. And this is kind of why. I mean, all right, let's wait to finish calculating. Uh, see on the I don't know what the hell's going on. Uh, anyway, I guess while it's trying to catch up, I mean, it's obvious that there's way more liquidity in micros than the minis. There's way more liquidity. The market will hold up at levels, but at the same time, because there's a lot more liquidity, you may not get price to come to your area. It may miss it by a couple of ticks. What the fuck? Oh. Mhm. 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 Mm. Oh no, that can't be the right price. That's not the right price. Mm. 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 All right, so my micro chart is now doing this shit too now. NQ. NQ. Why do you do this thing? Why do you do this to me? All the other charts are right except for the micros, huh? Mm. All right, I think all the data finally caught up now. I think we're caught up. All right. I think we should be caught up now. Yeah. All right. You know what, Ninja Trader? Hmm. It's not a look. Man, this is not a good look. All right. Hmm. All right. Mm. Could have sworn I just updated this. Um, of course, I mean, okay. So, hmm. I mean, I guess it requires me to. Hmm. I think I love her. Sherm, you don't love me. Sherm, you don't love me. I think I love her. Thank you. You know I love you, girl. I don't care what they say. I don't care if you for the streets. You know I love you, girl. I don't care if you for the streets. Let me save you. I can change you. I can change you. All right. Hmm. She already does that. Yeah. She already does that. Spend all my money on this bitch. I spent all my money on her. Buying her designer. Making sure she can flex on everybody else on social media. Got me looking like Quavo and shit. But I still love that girl, man. I still love her though. Still love her though. I feel like it's just one chart after another, man. Mm. Mm. What does it be like? What 20? Mm. 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 See if we can keep this thing going. But this is probably a block of liquidity right here. I might have to get out probably probably like 550 potentially. Mm. All right, so it tapped 550. I might have had to have taken profits at 50. But this is the sim, so we're gonna let this shit ride. We're gonna see what happens. But I may have should have taken my profits at 50. I may, yeah. Now that I'm looking at it, this could be a head and shoulders pattern right here now. Now that I'm looking at it, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I think I might have should have gotten that at 50. 50 would be a great excuse me, 50 will be a great place to take profits. But if they can find support right here, then uh, they can find support right here, then we could see price shoot up. But I mean, with this high right here at 97, uh, I don't see the bulls taking this high out without a pullback first. So they're gonna definitely pull back. The question is will the bulls buy the pullback? That's the question. Hmm. What's she talking about? Mm. Oof. Mm. Not the best showing, but you know. So over half of it, right? Mm. Like 9. Mm. Oof. Okay. Mm. 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 Oh, you said why I didn't take it? Mm. Oof. Maybe. I mean, I don't want to feel that way. I don't want to feel that way. Not at all. All right, so let me see if that fixed the problem. 06-25. I mean, if I do this with micros, I mean, I guess I found my way back to micros after my way back to minis. I mean, I'm gonna have to lose a lot of money. I would have to lose a lot of points. How many points am I down? Down points. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, how would I do that? I mean, how would I do that? All right. So, hmm. Mm. I mean, shit, I'll basically be coming back to break even. Mm. I think, is this more realistic? Is this more realistic? Mm. We'll see what they do at 235, 220. 235, 220. We could see, yeah, 225, 230. Let's see what they do here. Man, I'm taking me a nap and I get off. You know, the crazy thing is that we talk about mental health and mental resources while trading. And as much as me and Smith talks about not trading the Asian session and just waiting for New York, but how addictive the Asian section is, or the Asian session is to trade, even though it takes up a lot of mental resources. Once all the good price action comes during the New York session, just mentally drain. Right now, I was trading in a regular account. I may have hit daily loss limit because I'm feeling it. Mentally, I'm just like, yeah, whatever. I mean, like I said, but I passed 3 accounts last night, so I'm not, or was it 3 or 4? Anyway, 3 or 4. Passed the Apex account. Uh, yeah, 3. I passed 3, and I passed 2 MFF accounts last night, and that took up a lot of mental resources, and I'm definitely feeling it. Actually, no, I passed 4. I passed 2 Apex accounts, and I passed 2 MFF accounts, so it was 4. It was 4 accounts trading last night. But man, all the good moves are happening in the pre-market, man. All the great moves are happening in the pre-market. Mm. Mm. 545. Oh, did it hit 235? Almost. Mm. Up 70 points in micros, yo. Could be up 70 points in minis. Mm. Mm. All right, let's try this out, man. Let's try this out. Uh, mm. All right, so let's try this, man. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let me see how I like it. Let's try this. Mm, uh, mm. I mean, if I go back to micros, man. Mm. I mean, I guess that's a good thing. Six. So I'm down with 100 points. I'm down 100 points, and it was only Man, if I go back to micros, man. I mean, I guess I don't have to necessarily worry about perfect entries though. I don't have to worry about perfect entries. Mm. And I have to be okay with the loss. I mean, it has to make sense because yeah, if I have more room for if I have more room to make mistakes, then that means I have to work harder to make the money back. All right, so let's just see. So if I do, so what, 27 plus 18, that's like obviously 45. So I'm debating if I should do 7 or 9 though. 7 or 9. Ugh. But then why am I set 45 points though? Man, that's a lot to give to the market, man. 45 points is a lot to give to the market. Okay. All right. That's a lot, man. That's a lot to give to the market, though. That's a lot, man. Mm. Okay. All right. So let me test this shit out. I want to test it out. Okay. Yeah, I probably have to make like a. Mm, I mean, I should definitely have to work harder though. Hmm. All right, I'm gonna try that out. I'm gonna try that out. So I guess I found my way back to micros, even though mm, it's gonna be the commissions. That means I have to make up for commissions now. But micros kind of gives me a lot more versatility, I guess. 445. All right, so let me see how that looks. 445. Man, if it gives it to me. All right, so see how that looks. Shit. You know what? Maybe I should just. Mm. Mm. Man, it's gonna be a lot of work though. It's gonna be a lot of work. And that hourly candle does look bullish as hell though. That hourly candle does look bullish. Mm, 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 mm. I think mm, mm. I mean it's kind of straightforward. I mean, ain't no really no point. It's kind of straightforward. Yeah, it was like right there. I'm gonna have to really think about that then. I have to really think about that. I think my stop would have came down. What was that? 442 minus 72. No, it wouldn't have came down yet. It actually would have came down right there at 70. Yeah, it came down at 70. Hmm. Okay. All right, guys. That's it for me. I guess. I mean, this isn't a sim, so I mean, I guess I'll leave it. But I think I'm going to start trading like this in the sim, or not in the sim. With micros. I mean, the Apex accounts are the only ones that can necessarily handle all that drawdown. If initially I'm wrong, but then I turned out that overall I'm right. But with these smaller accounts, I am kind of playing Russian roulette with them with these minis. If I'm not getting a perfect entry. Hmm. I'm gonna have to think about this. I'm gonna have to think about how I want to. I gotta think about how I want to move forward with this. Because I mean, yeah, I was just up 3K, but I mean, if I was in, uh, well, I mean, mm, 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 mm. So if the Bulls can hold this, which I doubt, and the reason why I doubt it is because I mean, the Bears are trading the rotation here, so there's going to be a lot of selling pressure trying to go down. Actually, let me turn the chart trader off and show y'all. I mean, the Bears are trying to sell the rotation here. Last year, all bears that sold rotation got clapped. This year, you can safely sell the rotation. They're selling the rotation right here. Hmm. Dare I do it? So if the setup happened around 9:50, the short happened at 10:25. Hmm. So that means you had to have watched all this. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. But all right, guys, this is it for me. Uh, like I said, I have no accounts, so I guess for at least the rest of this week, I'm going to be trading in the sim. Or actually, no, I still have. I hit daily loss limit in 3 accounts, so let's see if I can bring those accounts back. I'm pretty sure I can. It's not like I can't. So we're just going to bring those accounts back. But like I said, I'm gonna try not to trade Asia with my evals. Being up all night waiting for the moves to hit, you use up a lot of mental resources, and at the same time, it's just not worth it. But trading the Asia session, for whatever reason, is a siren song. It's addictive. I don't know why. I keep telling myself that I won't trade it, and then I find myself trading the damn thing. I don't know why. Mm, mm. But all right, guys, we'll come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more ways to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out.